Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Channel ANZ Machinery. Modern LPG cylinder manufacturing factory integrates advanced technology, stringent safety protocols, and efficient production processes to meet the high demand for safe and durable LPG cylinders. These facilities typically utilize automated machinery for precision in cutting, shaping, and welding high-quality steel to form cylinder bodies. Computerized systems ensure quality control at every stage, including leak tests, pressure checks, and ultrasonic inspections, ensuring each cylinder meets international safety standards. In addition to safety, modern factories prioritize environmental responsibility, using energy-efficient methods and recycling materials wherever possible. Many factories incorporate eco-friendly practices, reducing waste and minimizing emissions during production. Trained professionals and engineers monitor operations to uphold quality and safety. The finished cylinders are then coated with anti-corrosive paint, labeled and prepared for distribution. Million-dollar gas cylinder production line and process. In the world of manufacturing, the gas cylinder production process involves precision, efficiency, and high-quality machinery to ensure the safety and durability of the final product. One leading name in this field is Repkon, a company known for its state-of-the-art gas cylinder welding machines, forming lines, and finishing solutions. This article will take you through the various stages of a million-dollar gas production line, focusing on the technology and processes that Repkon offers for creating high-quality gas cylinders. At the heart of a gas cylinder production line are the welding machines. Welding is crucial for creating a seamless bond that can withstand high pressures and ensure the safe containment of gases. Repkon offers advanced gas cylinder welding machines that use cutting-edge technology to provide precise and durable welds. Repkon's welding machines are equipped with automated systems that control the entire process, from positioning the cylinder parts to executing the weld. This level of automation minimizes human error, enhances consistency, and speeds up production. High-quality welds are essential for preventing gas leaks, as even minor imperfections could lead to dangerous situations. Repkon's machines ensure that each cylinder is welded to the highest standards, with real-time quality checks integrated into the process. Before welding can take place, the cylinder body itself must be formed. This is where Repkon's gas cylinder body forming line comes into play. The body forming line is responsible for transforming raw metal sheets into cylindrical shapes that will eventually become gas cylinders. Repkon's forming line utilizes an advanced hydroforming process, which uses high-pressure fluid to shape the metal. This method provides uniform wall thickness, minimizes material stress, and creates a smooth, seamless surface. Hydroforming is not only faster but also ensures a higher degree of precision than traditional methods. The result is a cylinder body that meets strict dimensional and strength requirements, laying a strong foundation for the subsequent welding and assembly stages. Additionally, Repkon's body-forming lines are designed for flexibility, allowing manufacturers to adjust settings and dimensions to produce cylinders in various sizes. This adaptability is particularly useful for facilities that need to produce different types of gas cylinders, from small portable units to large industrial ones. Once the cylinders have been welded and shaped, they move to the finishing line, where they undergo additional treatments to enhance durability and aesthetics. Repkon's gas cylinder production finishing line is an all-in-one solution that includes cleaning, surface treatment, painting, and inspection. The finishing line is equipped with automated cleaning systems that remove any debris or impurities left over from the welding and forming processes. After cleaning, the cylinders are subjected to surface treatments to protect against corrosion, which is especially important for cylinders used in harsh environments. Repcon's finishing line can handle both indoor and outdoor grade protective coatings, depending on the intended use of the cylinder. Following surface treatment, each cylinder is inspected for quality and consistency. This includes checking for structural integrity, measuring wall thickness, and conducting pressure tests to ensure the cylinder can safely contain gases under high pressure. Automated inspection systems identify any imperfections before the cylinder leaves the production line, minimizing the risk of defects. After the main body of the gas cylinder has been completed, it's time to add the valve assembly. The gas valve plays a crucial role in controlling the release of gas from the cylinder, making precise valve installation essential for both safety and functionality. Repcon's gas valve auto-assembly machine is specifically designed to automate this process. It accurately positions, installs, and secures the valve to the cylinder. This machine ensures that the valve assembly is tight and leak-proof, preventing any potential hazards associated with improper valve placement. The auto-assembly machine also conducts preliminary tests on the valve after installation to verify its functionality and ensure that it is fully operational. By automating the valve assembly process, Repcon's solution reduces human error and accelerates production times, while guaranteeing that every valve is installed to the same high standards. The final step in the gas cylinder production process is the application of a protective and aesthetic coating. Spray painting not only enhances the appearance of the gas tank, but also provides a layer of protection against environmental factors like rust and corrosion. Repcon's finishing line includes an automated spray painting system that evenly coats each cylinder with durable, high-quality paint. The automated nature of the spray painting system ensures a consistent application across every cylinder, eliminating streaks or uneven coatings. Moreover, Repcon offers various color options to meet specific branding requirements or industry standards, providing manufacturers with a customized finish that aligns with their product line. Spray painting is completed in a controlled environment to prevent contaminants from affecting the quality of the finish. Once painted, the cylinders are left to cure, allowing the paint to set and form a robust protective layer. This final stage not only improves the aesthetic appeal of the gas cylinder, but also contributes to its long-term durability, particularly in outdoor or industrial settings.